Welcome to world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon, January 2019. My name is Gary.Christiance. You know me as the van guy, specialize in the vans. Today we've got a rare product. We have a Pleasure-Way FL. Chassis are hard to get. We're very blessed to have almost 50 new and used vans in stock. You want one? We probably have it. But today let's concentrate on this 2019 on a 2018 chassis. Why is that? The 19 chassis go up how much? Johnny in the back? Yes, about 10 grand. This is a great buy. The next ones are going to be 10 grand more. Different chassis. This is the front lounge. We also just did the Coachman model. Has a similar floor plan to this, so we've got multiples to compare and get the one you like. Nice big control panel here as you come in. Let's take a peek in the back. So, let's see, we'll go over to, got another control panel right here. I switched over the screen for the awning, the sofa, and the fantastic fan. So, ultra leather, memory foam. It's, as you saw when I came in, it was made up into twin beds. The tabletop, they came up with a new mount, which is right here. You can release this, and you can take it up front. They got a sound bar, which is an upgrade. Big LG TV set. Take a peek at that monitor panel for me. Very easy to go through all your different screens, lighting screen, got everything. Let's take a look at the storage. 110 and 12 volts is down here. You got electrical outlets, so if you want to run a CPAP like I do, you got room. This is your privacy screen that they've got stored here in the back. More storage here. All the remotes for all the TVs are in here. DVD players here. Solar panel controls up top. Closets in here. Does have a nice little hanging space here. Warranty on this conversion is how long? You're right, 5 years. Parts and labor on everything they make. It's a great warranty. Nice heavy duty hinges, plenty of storage. They all firmly lock, and they're easy to open up. Counter extension, again, Corian countertop, or solid surface I should say. I didn't see the little Corian emblem. Recessed 2-burner stove, and new for 2019, this just came out. Nice deep stainless steel sink. Big faucet, of course, with your water fight control. And then the little pink stuff is when our staff winterized it. Nice room down here amongst your water pump's easy to get to. You still have room to put a garbage can, electrical outlet for blenders, etc. up on top, or a coffee pot. More nice shelves. There's where that table goes from the back. You can put it up here and utilize it for the front too. Before I go by it, refrigerator. Freezer's up on top, Dometic. This does slide out so you can have the whole thing as a refrigerator. But once you take it out, I have found out it's a little difficult to get back. Yes, convection microwave. Bake, nuke in here all at once. Saves a lot of space over here and for cabinets. You got opaque doors here, so it lets light in. It does have more light here, of course, if you're not taking a shower. But it does have a medicine cabinet, your faucet, your shower head hooks into the faucet, what I was trying to say, and a pretty good sized shower with a towel rack in the back. Main living room. Yes, both of you can be watching different stations at the same time. A nice feature, workstation, or somebody could be sitting in the back. nav system, Bluetooth, power windows and locks, 6-cylinder, 5-speed, pretty much all the stuff that's been going on until these new chassis roll out with their $10,000 of improvement. We mentioned the ultra leather and the memory foam in the back. It's got good storage in the visors, plenty of cup holders throughout. I think it's like 5 cup holders up front. I'm going to hit the disconnect switch. We'll head outside. Porch light, patio awning's electric, does have a wind sensor. One does it, they all do it, right? Backup camera's up on top. There's some storage, and then we saved all the carpets for all the owners. We put those down when they take possession. These doors will swing all the way open. You can release them and swing them all the way around. You do have a storage area up on top, and the rear screen comes all the way down and zips in place to keep the bugs out. The vent for your battery, and of course Pleasure-Way has a lithium battery, a 200 lithium. Exhaust for your generator. Generator operates on auto start. You can program it for temperature, so AC will turn on and off. It'll cycle how many every time, so you can leave something in here and it'll keep it all cool, and it runs just off the generator, off propane. Heater, exhaust, and intake. Vent and your refrigerator access, your Trum AquaGlow, utility center, hook up here for electric, cable, city water, and to turn your propane on and off, your utility shower, hot and cold water, and here's your dump station, easy to get to, and they've even slid this a little more far forward to make it easier to get to, but your gray and black handles are easy to access. Behind door number 1 would be door number 2, which is where you fill your diesel. That way somebody can't fool around with it. I know you got questions. Who are you going to ask for? Well, ask for the van guy. My email's on the screen. You can call me direct at 541-554-9581. I really appreciate your time. Thank you.